Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If it is your very first time to join us, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell icon so each time I upload a video you will be notified. In this video, we are going to be looking at a welcome letter from the National Visa Center. The National Visa Center receives cases from the USCIS after the USCIS must have approved these cases. Please, when you subscribe, turn on the notification bell and leave a comment, like the video and share. Dear, the name has been shaded. Thank you for your interest in immigrating to the United States of America. The Department of State's National Visa Center received your approved immigrant petition from the USCIS. NVC's role is to ensure you are prepared for your immigrant visa interview at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate and to schedule your interview appointment. NVC is responsible for collecting any application fees, the immigrant visa application, supporting civil documents, police certificate, affidavit of support, and financial documents, if applicable, prior to your visa interview at a U.S. Embassy. Do not mail to the NVC any documents even if you receive instructions to mail them. You will need to log into your Department of State electronic account to check the case status, pay necessary fees, upload documents, and read NVC messages. If you are logging into the CEAC for the first time, please be aware that it can take up to 72 hours for receipt notice and your account to be activated. Once activated, you can log into the CEAC using the following unique NVC case and invoice numbers. This is a letter from the National Visa Center and is usually called the welcome letter for those whose cases have been sent to the National Visa Center. Take note, it says 72 hours. So, it is only after 72 hours that you can start paying fees and then thinking of uploading documents. The document uploads usually comes after you must have filled out the DS-260, which is the actual visa application form. Take this letter seriously and make sure you look at your case and invoice number because these are the information you will be using to log into your CEAC account. Congratulations if your case is at the National Visa Center at this time. Now, let's look at the second section of the letter from the National Visa Center. The NVC will inform you on how to use the invoice and case numbers. You should keep this information available in a safe place as you will need every time you log into the CEAC account. Please keep in mind that you must use the CEAC to provide NVC with fees documents that are required prior to your interview. We do not accept these by mail. The NVC stopped accepting documents by mail about 2 years ago. Please note, you must bring the exact original scanned documents you sent to the NVC using the account. You must follow the 12-step instruction posted at the website for completing your case. Now look at where it says important, where it's been circled. If you do not log into your CEAC account or communicate with the NVC within 1 year, by law, your case will be cancelled or your case will be blocked. So this is an example of cases that have been sent back to the USCIS or cancelled, which means they can no longer be processed. So remember the 1-year agreement. The next section of this video will be talking about the 1-year agreement with the National Visa Center, the 1-year contract requirement for communication with the National Visa Center. That keeps your case active, preventing it to be terminated by the National Visa Center. Usually the termination is not a one-step process. They will send you a couple of letters informing you on the stage at which they are. If you're still interested in continuing with the case. Now, let's look at the second section talking about 1-year contract. Immigration and National Act of 2003 provides the Secretary of State shall terminate the registration for petition of any alien who fails to apply for an immigrant visa within 1 year of notice of visa availability. The petition may be reinstated if, within 2 years of notice of a visa availability, the alien establishes that failure to apply was for reasons beyond their control. Therefore, if you do not respond to the notices from the NVC within 1 year, your risk of termination of your petition under this section of law would lose the benefits of that petition, such as your priority date. Thank you for watching this video.